Blue face, baby. Yeah, hey. Bust down, Tatiana.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Rina Vanel, aka Nappyfro, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I finger coil my hair. And this is my very first time doing this, so I hope you guys like it. So I only used one product to achieve those beautiful finger coils, and it's the Eco Styler Argan oil. I did not use water, I did not use leave-in, I did not use anything like that. I just used the Eco Styler gel. And yeah, so guys, if you want to see how I got those beautiful curls, please keep on watching the video. Okay guys, so I've already put my hair into 6 small sections, and I am not going to add any leave-in because I washed and moisturized my hair the previous morning. So let's get right into the video. So guys, I just want to show you all a close-up clip of how I finger coil my hair. I don't use water or anything, just the gel. So I am finally done with the front of my hair. This side is almost dry, as you can see. So I'm gonna go off camera and finish the back of my hair, and when I'm done, I'm gonna show you guys the end results. I'm back, period. Guys, I think my hair is fully dried. Well, oops, nope, not fully dry, but most of it is dried. So guys, if you like my finger coils, please like this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Blue face, baby. Yeah, I bust down, Tatiana. Yeah, I wanna see you bust down.